about 5 o'clock in the morning. Friday, June 2nd. Payday, even. I'll do this one by candlelight. Makes it seem more ominous. Oh, man. Wind is just blowing outside right now. I woke up about 4 o'clock, had to pee, listened to the wind. I'm like, man, you don't want to pee in a windstorm. You really don't. So I waited for a while. It's gotten worse since then. Still had to pee. Fuck. Might need to make a urinal or something in here. Anyway. So I did the only logical thing I could think of. Well, that was after I rolled over and tried to go back to sleep. Put on safety glasses, my military watch cap, and brave the storm. At least it's easy to figure out which way the wind is blowing when it's trying to blow you over. Aimed in the general direction of the nearest bush. Let it fly. Mission accomplished. I don't think I peed on myself. It was going mostly horizontal and it just flew somewhere. So. Yeah, I think the watch cap and the safety glasses was a good idea. Oh, I am so glad I don't live in an apartment anymore. Just keep telling myself that. I think taking out the back window of the bus might have been a bad idea. But we'll see. Conditions change so fast, it's hard to know what to do here. Like the back window. I've been here for a month, hadn't seen any rain, didn't occur to me that rain would be a problem, so. What I had was, it was insanely hot. Or then very cold. Sometimes windy. Usually sunny, except when it's dark, then it's not as sunny. I thought, okay, I needed ventilation more than I needed anything else, so took out the back window, put a screen up. That worked really good. And the next day it rained. So what you hear now is the bubble wrap I put on the outside of the screen. It's bouncing pretty good in the wind. Also the bubble wrap in the emergency vent, I stapled that in to hold it down. That seemed to help a lot because it was flapping pretty good. I think I'm going to take a piece of OSB and cut it to size for the rear window and mark it and then screw it in place. Then I can take it off if I need to. And what I may do is make cut the piece, make it a frame, and I could put. And I'd like to make it openable or something. I need some kind of a storm shutter. It's got to be able to stand up to gale force winds. The bus is rocking at times. I mean, it's really blowing out there. Trash bag is right behind the camera, if you're wondering. Anyway. I didn't have to light the candle, I just liked the effect. I got plenty of lights here. Gatorade and Cliff Bars, that's gotta be a balanced meal, right? Anywho, I'm going back to bed. See what else I can throw at us. What was that saying? Life only gives you what you can handle. Apparently life thinks I'm a total badass right now. Sure. Yeah. Keep saying that. Stay tuned.